I just want you guys to take note that none of the stuff on code.org is mine. Guys, it's SammyCheez, and today I'm talking about code.org. And this website can be better than the Scratch for beginners because it gives you steps how to do it and how many steps it'll take. And I think it's better if you're a beginner. I use this when I was a beginner. So as you can see, it's available on mobile and computer. It uses Blockly code, and there's this program called the Hour of Code. It's not actually an hour of code, but if we click on about the hour of code, it's basically where you have like a 15-step project, a 10-step project, and it tells you how to do it, or it gives you little hints how to do it, and then you have to put the Blockly code together to make it, as you can see right here. So if we go into the activities, and as you can see, there's all of these classroom technology. There's all of this porno internet. So there's Star Wars, Minecraft. You can do all of these. I'm just going to do make a Flappy game. So you just press start, and this is 100% safe. So basically, there's going to be a video, and she or he will explain it. And you can download the video by pressing this button. But if you can't run the video, then you can just press show notes and you can look at this. So let's get in to this. Attach a block to one-click block, then press run. Attach a block. Okay, yeah. So click or tap the screen to move Flappy to the target. So basically, for now, we'll just do flap. So click run to start the game. Not quite. You aren't you? Oh, yeah, I didn't put the block on there. Okay, let's try this again. As you can see, it flaps, and we can add play wind sound, sad. Basically, it shows you all of this, and if we press continue, it will bring us on to the next thing. Now we added some ground. Attach the block to attach the block to when hit the ground block. Your code needs to end game when Flappy crashes. So one clip flap, play wind sound. You can add that on if you want to. One hit the ground, end game. So let's give that a test. As you can see, you've done it, and you can replay it, and you can put a crash sound, like a swoosh, when you end the game. So then you can say you liked it or you disliked the puzzle and continue. As you can see, this is a very nice thing, and basically you can set the speed of this. It's very fun. I like messing around with it. It makes little fun noises when you complete it, and this is where I started when I was coding. So I recommend it to all the boys, girls, men, adults, women, everyone who would like to learn how to code. First, start with code.org, a Blockly website, and then you can go on to some more advanced stuff. Like you can try to learn JavaScript first, or you can look up you can look up like for Scratch, it's better to look up what the blocks mean in JavaScript or something. But this is good if you're starting and you just want to learn how to code for fun. So I just want to say thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for all the support on my YouTube channel, because I'll show you guys the most support I've gotten in a while. So if I go to one of my kind of older videos, how to get projects popular. 21 likes, thank you. And thank you for all the support right here. I mean, I've been getting lots of it. I really like it. Thank you guys. But anyway, subscribe to my channel, leave the video a like and comment if you would like me to check out your projects. I always can do that. I will love them. Check them out. Leave comments on them. So I will see you in my next video, and goodbye.